Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today we'll explain the mosaic processing method using tracking. Let's begin! Let's start! I think there are many occasions when you will need to use the mosaic effect on YouTube, such as blurring out a face or a logo. Premiere Pro's tracking feature makes it easy to apply mosaics to moving objects and people. For now, let's proceed with applying the mosaic effect to this logo. You'll notice the position of the logo is moving. First, apply the mosaic effect to the entire screen. Click Video Effect, Blur and Sharpen, place Gaussian Blur on the clip you want to mosaic. There are many effects with similar names, so be careful when searching for them. These effects are added to the Effect Control panel. I set the blur value to 20. Next, we will limit the mosaic to only the logo part. Click the rectangle tool here. This is called a mask, and it limits the scope of the effect. This way, the mosaic is limited to just the part where the mask is overlaid. Adjust the position of the mosaic. Finally, let's track the mosaic according to the movement of the logo. After adjusting the position of the mosaic, click this button. Then, it will automatically track like this. It may take some time depending on the length of the clip. The mosaic moves around according to the movement. Now you can use the mosaic effect with tracking. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.